For over 2 years, Shamir's Vision R&D department has been collaborating with BWT Alpine F1 Team using a powerful AI-based eye tracking system from head-eye integrative movement tech to gather information. Combined with data from hundreds of drivers, it created Shamir Driver Intelligence, designed to deliver optimal vision for a high-performance driving experience. Today, we're at the racetrack, joining Alpine's professional racing drivers to assess and collect data regarding their experience wearing Shamir's Driver Intelligence lenses. Our top priority is to see how the driving lenses answer their visual needs day and night. First, we set out to try out our lenses for daytime vision. Looking to improve their visual performance and response time during the race, we examined their fields of view, object recognition, and visual fatigue.
In the curve, when I have to see the apex, the point when I have to go directly, I can see it before because I have a clear vision on the side, and it's very efficient for me.
Next, we set out to assess our clear lenses, designed for driving in low-light conditions such as nighttime driving, tough weather, and other poor visibility conditions, and see how they dealt with reflections, visual fatigue, night myopia in a dynamic environment.
When I used the Shamir driving lenses in the dark, it was much better, I would say, compared to my old glasses. The object and the shape of everything around me was more sharp, much better for me.
Testing professional drivers was just the beginning. We also wanted to understand the advantages our advanced driving lenses can provide city drivers in overcoming their visual challenges during urban driving, day and night. For example, visual noise distractions, digital dashboards, phones, reflections from traffic lights, and upcoming vehicles.
These new Shamir lenses for night vision, it's very comfortable. Less glare and a sharper vision about the light.
With the driving expertise of BWT Alpine F1 Team, Shamir has truly revolutionized the driving experience, setting a new benchmark in optical innovation for drivers around the world. Shamir Driver Intelligence, powered by BWT Alpine F1 Team.